Rising tides raise all ships. This old adage is talking about the concept of collective progress. Success does not have to be a zero-sum game. The term is making a comeback, and I've heard several digital marketing friends using it lately. Rising tides raise all ships is not a cliche. It's a state of mind that reminds us to be helpful first and accept reciprocation when it comes naturally. The affiliate marketing industry has created a culture that subscribes to this principle, and it is one of my absolute favorite attributes of this community. But unfortunately, I don't see it in any other channels. I can't count how many times I've seen companies that I've worked with where the rest of the marketing team, branding team, sales team all saw affiliate as a threat rather than an ally. I've seen paid media teams refuse to help the affiliate program with assets of banner ads or highest converting copy, just holding it so tight and keeping it for their own internal use. Instead of embracing the success of affiliate, they choose to battle for the love of the executive team. And it's not even a fair fight. Most companies will credit paid media regardless of where they land in the sales funnel. If it touches another channel, we can't pay double to affiliates. But on the other side, affiliate is only getting credited when the conversion happens. What the is that? And I get it. I've been at companies where affiliate is not the golden child, and I'm just trying to figure out how to keep my job and make the program reach its lofty goals. I'm in there fighting and scrapping for the rights of those affiliates, but I would rather build a culture where rising tides raise all ships. The reality is there is no perfect attribution model or system that we can all agree upon. Companies with great products and great marketing will inevitably grow too fast to focus on how to bucket attribution properly. You can accumulate an absolute all-star team of talent at a company, and they're all going to have differing opinions about how they can put their channel in the best light. It's going to breed competition. So what's the answer to making everybody subscribe to the rising tides raise all ship methodology? We don't have one yet. When people embrace the philosophy, everyone stands to gain. The only thing you can do is be part of the solution and not part of the problem. Rather than viewing your colleagues as rivals, be part of the culture that celebrates shared accomplishments. This is going to create an environment of support and collaboration. Those are the people I surround myself with and I call my friends. So, who's in your Rising Tides crew? Tag somebody below. Spread the good word of those industry folks that you call friends. I'll start by tagging a couple of my all-time favorites down below. This is Dustin Howes signing off. We'll see you out there.